No company comes close to the family atmosphere we have at Canella. We love our community, we love learning about new products and technology, and we absolutely love our jobs. If you're looking for ways to expand your career, learn new things, and give back to the community, then our in-house training program could be perfect for you. Call us and apply today to join the Canella Heating and Air Conditioning family.